Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use my crypto wallet, Updated. Open your wallet app and start by creating a new account. Write down the seed phrase on paper and store it securely, enable two-factor authentication, and set a strong password. Practice sending a small test transaction to a trusted address, check balances, and add tokens carefully so you build confidence while keeping your funds protected. Create your wallet by choosing a reputable provider and setting a strong password. After creating the account, write the seed phrase on paper, store copies in 2 secure locations, and never save it digitally. Enable biometrics and two-factor authentication to add an extra security layer. Familiarize yourself with recovery options and test access with small amounts. This approach minimizes risk and gives you a reliable backup if a device is lost or compromised. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control for hands-free cleaning that frees time to manage your crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals and return for more tips. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. To send crypto, select the correct token and network, paste the recipient address carefully, and verify it twice. Use a small test transaction to confirm everything before sending larger amounts. Adjust gas or network fees to balance cost and speed, and review the estimated fee before confirming. When receiving, share only the correct token address and wait for confirmations. Keep simple records for tracking and tax purposes so you can review transactions later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.